Hey everyone, this is Dylan from Diamond Spotlight, and here in front of us we have a 14K white gold falling edge Pave diamond engagement ring from James Allen, and it features a 1 carat lab diamond. In this video, I want to show you this ring in a variety of lighting conditions, and I'm going to give you an unboxing to show you everything that comes in the box. Now, this ring from James Allen cost $3,889. The first thing on the list, if we look at the cost breakdown, was the actual setting itself, and then we have the diamond. The setting cost $2,040, and then the diamond cost $2,080, but there was a $510 discount from a 25% off promo they had that applies only to the setting itself for a total of $3,889.78. Now, if you want to view this ring on their website, I will post a link down below in the video description. It'll take you directly to this page. This is where on their site you start with a setting. So if this is the setting that you want, you can go ahead and pick what metal you want. You can go with 14K rose gold if that's the look that you like, which looks really good. You can also go with platinum if you like to go the platinum route. It's up to you. The ring that you're seeing in this video is the 14K white gold. Once you have the setting, you go ahead and click select this setting. You click add a diamond, and now you can browse through their diamonds. You can see our setting is selected there at the top. And then if we're going to do a round diamond, we're going to go maybe G, F in color or better. Typically lab diamonds have really good color ranges. And then VS2 or better for clarity. We're always going to go with ideal or true hearts for the cut. And then we want 1 carat or bigger, and then you just make sure you have lab diamonds selected there at the top, and this will show you all the lab diamonds. As you can see, they start around $1,500, and then as you get into the better ones, they go up. So the one that we have in this video is right around $2,000. If you want to go the earth route for an earth created diamond or a natural diamond, you can see they start right around $6,000, so they're a little bit more expensive. But let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, when it shows up, it's going to be in a very incognito box. You would never know that there was a diamond inside. The shipment does require a signature, so they're not just going to drop it at your doorstep. It's a next day shipment, and you do have to sign for it, so someone physically has to be there. But if we remove the ring box from the little protective sleeve, you can see the nice embossed James Allen logo there on the top. We have a little magnetic door with a pink pull tab, and then that reveals the ring itself there front and center. So nice little display piece there. And as always, we get straight to the point on this channel. So let's take a look at the ring here in some LED lighting. And as you can see, it is looking absolutely fantastic. If you appreciate that, guys, of us always getting straight to the point, be sure to leave a like on this video. It really helps us out so we can make more videos like this in the future. Now, in this bottom drawer here, this is where all of your documentation and accessories are. You're going to get a little James Allen cleaning cloth there on the bottom. So if you want to polish your diamond, you can use that. It's nice of them to include that. And then you also have a little diamond viewer here that you can use as well to take a look at your diamond. And then in this envelope, you have a nice little envelope on the bottom that houses all of your paperwork. Now, in your paperwork, there's a few things that are important. The first thing that you're going to find is going to be your receipt. That's what's going to be in that white envelope there in the front. That's going to have all your personal information and what you paid and all your billing stuff. So that's going to be in that envelope. And then you have your diamond grading report. So this particular lab diamond was graded by IGI, and all the information on this report is available to you on the website before you actually pick your diamond. And then this specific report goes to the specific diamond that you picked. So you are sent the exact diamond that you picked off of the website. So this has all that information there. So I wanted to include this in the video just in case you guys wanted to see the specifics of the diamond that you're being shown here in this video. We also have a quality assurance paper here inspected by Max. Thank you, Max. And we have a little advertisement here for 30% off wedding bands. So very nice that they include that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this ring in a variety of lighting conditions so we can see what it looks like. So this first shot here is taken right around 6:30. The sun is starting to go down a little bit. We are in the shade, and this tends to be the best lighting for outdoor shots with these diamonds. It gives it a very generous light that makes the stone look really, really good. And it also brings a level of detail that you can see with the camera that's not so much taken away from the very harsh light. So you can see a lot of specifics. If we go ahead and use the macro lens here, you can really start to see a close-up and see the little details of the diamond itself. You can also see some little tiny slight inclusions in the diamond, which is perfectly normal. All diamonds have some little imperfections. So when we get this macro lens, you can start to see those a little bit closely, but they're so faint, and you have to realize that when this diamond's on someone's finger, those little imperfections are so hard to see, right? So it's really up to you how much you want to spend and how perfect of a diamond you'd like to get. You can kind of browse through the diamonds from James Allen and figure out what fits your budget, and if you want to sacrifice maybe, a little bit of clarity to get a larger stone, or which direction you want to go. One of the things I wanted to show you guys is the design of this specific setting. You can see that there's this little design underneath the diamond itself, which is very nice. You have all the little diamonds there on the pave band and the falling edge halo, which is really, really nice as well. And all of these little details just add a little bit of kind of a custom setting look to this ring. And so depending on how much you want to spend, this setting is $2,000, which is pretty expensive for a setting, but you can see that you're going to get a little bit more of a custom look and a little bit more detail to the setting itself versus something that's going to be less expensive. So it's really up to you, like I said, how much you want to spend. But if you're looking at this setting, it does look really, really nice, and it complements any diamond really well with just those little design details. Now, this is the diamond engagement ring, the same one we're seeing in this video, on my fiance's finger. Now, my fiance's finger is a 5.5. This ring is in a 6. So you can see that it's a little bit big, but you can see that it looks absolutely fantastic. This clip was again recorded outdoors right around 6:30 in the shade, and you can see that the diamond just looks fantastic on her finger. And this is a ring that you really, really notice from afar. I mean, there's so many diamonds on it. When there's any kind of light, this thing is sparkling like crazy. So if you're someone that really likes that bold style of ring, it looks amazing. Now, what's interesting is the diamonds around the perimeter of your round diamond from afar do actually look like they combine into one. So from a distance, the diamond looks a lot bigger than it actually is, which is great. But then when you get up close, you start to see the specific details of all the little diamonds around. So I think it's a really good look. It's definitely very eye-catching. And, when you see it from afar, the diamond looks very large. Then you get up close, you start to see all the little diamonds and how sparkly they are with the little design elements, especially underneath the diamond. Just makes for a really nice setting. So yes, you are paying a good amount for this setting, but with all those little design details and the extra little diamonds, I think that money goes really far, and it really makes for a custom looking ring. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, all I ask is that you drop a like on this video and leave a comment. Just let me know what you guys think about this specific ring. I really, really like it, and I hope all of these different shots and different camera angles and lighting conditions give you guys a better idea of what this ring looks like in real life. I know that's one of the hardest things about shopping for engagement rings online, is that you can't really see what they look like in real life, and you want to know the proportions. So my goal with these videos is to always give you guys as much information as possible to basically allow you to see what these rings look like in real life as if you were looking at them in person. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I can make these videos better and the different shots that you would like to see, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. I'm always looking for ways to improve my videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.